You got to focus on the people who require the special attention, the special needs, the special.
This guy.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to the show.
Welcome
we
to
are,
Propaganda.
Yeah, we are 5 hours and 3 days late.
Thanks
to this.
to Mukund Pandey.
Thanks to your bhenchod ass.
Bhanchad.
My bhenchod ass. Yes.
45 minutes delay. It's absurd. It's absurd. I mean,
It's
people are
9
not,
a.m.
you know,
How you doing, dog? Love you.
you imagine
Fuck off, man. Come on time if you wanna. Section.
this time we won't let logic crash.
Sorry यार मैं लेट हो गया रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा वहाँ पे
एक
कुछ
second
दिख नहीं रहा
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. वो चल रही है ना.
वो लाइन लाल है बट
नहीं समझ आ रहा है actually. Hold on.
Don't fuck with it.
So welcome back to the show.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show, guys. Oh, welcome to the show.
And we're late because
Welcome
I
to
that
the
much.
show. Give it to the show. Give it to the. Enough. बस और कितना यार हो गया.
we're not
ठीक है,
late
fine,
हम
sorry.
बस we'll finish early.
We just oh.
Okay. I see how you treat foreplay.
So we'll just finish in 15 minutes. Is that what it is? Because by that logic, that's the hour that we had dedicated.
Sorry. Sorry, babe. The half an hour I was
The
supposed to go
fucking
down
50.
on you got cut out. You know?
I'm very sorry guys. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कॉफी बना दूंगा जब तुम मेरे स्टूडियो लेट आओगे.
Oh, so to waste more time. Great.
नहीं
नहीं.
मतलब एटलीस्ट दो बार
Yeah.
तुम दोनों लेट हो सकते हो.
We've also been, yeah, but also last meeting, I believe I was a little late, no? Or the meeting before that. No, not the last meeting. The meeting before last.
हाँ. You cancelled. Yes.
Did I?
Oh, that's pretty late.
That is very late.
Did I
So meeting
cancel?
now?
Show up.
I don't think I cancelled. Did
नहीं
we can-
आखिरी दिन पे
नहीं जब हम आए थे हमने बस 1 घंटा बैठ के ना बस बातें करते कि हमने करना क्या है वीडियो के
ओ
साथ
हाँ देन यू
और फिर उसके बाद फिर मैं चला गया है ना हाँ, तब अपन लेट हो गए थे होते ऐसी चीजें होती हैं लाइफ में होती हैं लाइफ गोज ऑन गाइस यू नो
Get over it.
get the fuck over it dog you know enough of this shit
Or under it or beside it or whatever direction.
pretty funny
Don't get in it though.
what are we gonna do about this situation guys
कौन सी सिचुएशन.
Pakistan
ओह
Pahalgam attack.
I'm sick of this country
गलत दिन में आ गया.
तू गलत दिन पे.
You
It's
think it's
never a
contra-
bad day to be a देशभक्त.
you think it's controversial to care about the nation
नहीं
Really?
तुमने वो मीम्स देखे पाकिस्तानी जंग में जाने वाले.
really क्या हो
हाँ,
रहा है
वो हम अपना मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं बेसिकली.
Oh, okay.
मेरे को तो याद नहीं.
Oh, I think I've seen some.
वो अच्छे थे.
Have you seen the
what's
Pakistani?
the nature explain the joke to me what's going on
है तेरे पास memes?
मेरे पास सेव
तू
नहीं
जोक समझा देना कि हो क्या रहा है कि स्क्रीन में ये हो रहा है और ये हा what's
है.
the ha-ha?
मैं भूल गया हूँ ये बता
Oh
रहा
my
है.
God.
मैं ये बता
तू
रहा
सुला
हूँ.
देगा यार चल
मैं
बता।
कुछ और बता रहा हूँ. मैं ये नहीं बता रहा.
ओके
Buddy, feed your own horse.
सॉरी.
पाकिस्तानी पार्लियामेंट में ये तो देखा है मैंने कि the speaker of parliament is flirting with this sexy MP. Have you seen that?
आप
No.
इधर देख के
Wait.
बात करिए.
Yes,
Right.
yes. आपकी खूबसूरत dress. Wait, I'll show you. It's a-
He's saying this
it's in
to
fucking-
a also member of parliament.
Yes.
It's in. I'm showing you the video.
That's just listen. That's just the
And I had to send it to our friend Ishwar.
ये उनकी उर्दू लजा होती है ना. What do you call it? Yes,
Okay.
that's how it is.
Tehzeeb.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's just being polite.
That's just what it
He's
is.
saying nice fit,
He's like nice
Nice
tits,
fit.
nice tits, bitch.
nice tits, nice fit, bitch.
Yeah.
You should focus on the issues though. But there you go.
खवारिज आपको पता है कि इस्लामिक एक पूरी डेकेड में
ना मुझे एड्रेस करें
sorry sir you know if you they must have studied Islamic
मैं
history
चाहता हूँ कि आप अच्छी तरह से मेरी तरफ देखें नहीं obviously this is once the member is speaking he has to do this what I'm saying
Wow.
जी लाली साहब Hina you have raised the question for Kasoor I'm thankful you are wearing a beautiful dress
Wow. Okay. It's. I mean, yeah. There's a creep there out there. Wow. Classic. Nice Pakistan. They have much bigger problems than fucking creeps, dude. They're not in water anymore.
अभी तक बंद है.
Huh?
हाँ अभी तक थोड़े.
अभी तो अबेयंस में है ना अपनी उनकी वो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी.
हमने उनका पानी कैंसिल कर दिया है 10 साल में.
डम भी करा कैंसिल भी करा है. हमने उनके क्या बोलते हैं what I think we flooded the Jhelum or something. No, over there
Wow.
in I believe in Kashmir or something on in POK we flooded some some rivers and stuff.
मेरे को बहुत
Water murder.
मेरे को
let's go.
बिल्कुल नहीं पता है ज्यादा.
हमने पानी फेर दिया, लेकिन उनके प्लान्स पे अगर फेरते तो बेटर रहता.
Literally.
अगर हमने पहले करा होता.
हमने एक्चुअली कश्मीर के प्लेन्स पे पानी फेर दिए.
कश्मीर के प्लेन्स नहीं है, वो पहाड़ है वहाँ पे यार.
यार ज्योग्राफी, मैं ज्योग्राफिस्ट तो नहीं बना ना फिर.
Okay. In any case, no, but we did do that. I mean, I think we flooded the fuck out of that valley. Okay, for a bit.
बढ़िया है. बकरे उड़ा.
कई जगह से पानी डाल रहे हैं, कहीं जगह से ले रहे हैं. अपन का ये थोड़ा सा सीन है पानी के बारे में. About पानी diplomacy and shit. How do you feel about that?
That's pretty fluid.
About what?
People dying, dude. Don't you?
Very bad.
Water.
बहुत घटिया यार. Uncool guys.
They pulled the Nazi move, है ना?
हाँ काफी गलत हुआ है.
No, they did the take your pants, pull on your pants shit. दिखाओ कि माल कैसे अंदर.
वो तो 3 Idiots में होता है.
Oh yikes.
No.
Oh.
It's to check the
Oh, check
circumcision.
the front. Yes. sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
So they made them do that, I
Yeah.
think. The males, some of the males.
तुम कटुए हो कि नहीं?
Yeah, well, the Nazis used to do it for it was like a negative thing. अगर कटवाया तो फिर मार डालो. यहाँ पे उल्टा है, कटवाया तो बचा लो. That kind of thing.
Right.
मेरे को देख के confuse हो जाएगा बंदा थोड़ा सा, है?
अच्छा है क्या?
For a minute, they will be confused a little bit.
होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. I don't know.
Anyway, guys,
Cultural
that
relativism.
sucks. I hope there's a war. I hope there's some fucking bullets flying. Let's fucking go, dude.
Yay.
What do you
नहीं
yeah.
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, I think the UN's got to get involved so that nothing happens. You know.
UN सारी wars रोकता है.
Correct.
मैंने देखा है. अभी सब
I've
रोका है.
literally never seen a war happen because of the UN.
Thank you UN.
Thank you, UN.
They're pretty tight. Meanwhile, the American administration is like, yeah, we're behind India, whatever the fuck they want to do. Maybe they're getting a trade deal happen, you know, like the trade deal, Donald Trump को trade deal
They're
दे दो
putting
और
some-
हम फिर पाकिस्तान की गांड मार सकते हैं. The deal is Pakistan, we get Pakistan.
But lots of tariffs.
That's a,
Lots of tariffs.
oh dude.
Oh shit. मैं अभी realize कर रहा हूँ मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा idea नहीं है पिछले 3-4 हफ्ते में क्या हुआ है.
Wow. Well, that's a refreshing perspective.
That's
Actually,
good.
it's not that refreshing. Yuvraj gives
We
that
need
to
an
me.
idiot on the show.
Yuvraj gives that to me every...
As
Wait
we-
a second. We
But-
need an idiot?
Another.
Okay.
Do you not see I'm surprisingly well informed this time?
Because for
It's
once
been
you
5 minutes. I've known everything that's going on.
That's pretty good, dude.
I'm on top of every single thing.
I like this.
The new personal best.
Right. Congratulations.
Unlike Dingus here.
एक तो मतलब कि तूने देखा कि हाँ ठीक है हुआ है कुछ मार डाले लोग मौजूद है. Who cares?
नहीं मैंने काफी कुछ देखा था बट मैंने अपनी मेमोरी में शायद रजिस्टर सब कुछ नहीं करा.
Right. Who gives a... I honestly am there half the time. For me, unfortunately, it was also content. So
Right.
You gotta, you know.
हाँ.
Gotta
Yeah.
strike that.
Sometimes you gotta manufacture opinions that you don't really particularly, maybe you don't even have, you know.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
Like drinking your first piss of the day is the best thing you can do for your health.
Right. For some people, it may be an opinion only. Some people, it's a practice.
Like
It's
Paresh
a
Rawal.
different. You know, you gotta maintain. How are you so tall?
हाँ.
I drink my first piss of the morning every day.
That's-
हाइड्रेट करना चाहिए सुबह.
It's
तो
It's not just गाँव
it's
मूत्र.
nature's compliance.
It's गाय मूत्र है. अगर कुछ भी
Because I'm a guy.
किसी
Yeah,
से
he's a guy.
He's
Because I'm a guy.
It's guy. It's guy मूत्र, dude.
But
That guy is.
Paresh Rawal recently did an interview with Lallan Top in which he's like, हाँ भाई अपना सुसु पीना changed my life.
हाँ.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
That's why it's a little funny, huh?
It's a little funny.
He is very funny.
So there you go.
Paresh Rawal is funny.
That's why Yuvraj. Well, that does make
He's
sense.
an inspiration.
Does make sense.
His hairline is. Okay. You
Fuck.
do the honors?
Nay, you do it.
I've seen it, you bastard.
What is it? Is it a reel or something?
Yeah.
Of Paresh Rawal saying
Yes,
this?
yes,
मुकुंद
yes.
दिखा.
मैं देखता हूँ. हाँ.
And okay, watch it, put it on the mic, play it from the start. You know how it go. It's this one.
Okay.
One day we'll have a podcast producer and it can be on the screen and I don't know.
तो वीरू देवगन साहब ऐसे ही चक्कर लगा किसी को मिलने आए होंगे. पता चला परेश है यहाँ पे. क्या हो गया तुझे? मैंने नहीं सर ये मैं गिर गया. अच्छा कैसा है? मतलब अभी 3-4 दिन हुए हैं. मैं बोलूँगा वो करेगा. बोला क्या करेगा? बोला हाँ मैं करूँगा सर बोलिए. सुबह उठ
मेरी
के
मुट्ठी.
फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना अपना. बोला है? फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना. सब फाइटर लोग ये करते हैं. कोई तकलीफ नहीं रहेगी. कभी कुछ नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना. लेकिन अगली रात को दारू बनो, दारू तो बंद है मेरा, मटन बटन कुछ मत खाना, तम्बाकू ममाकू कुछ मत खाना, जो खाता है नॉर्मल खाना, लेकिन फर्स्ट यूरिन सुबह उठ के पीना। हाँ ठीक है यार, मैं पीऊंगा पक्का, ठीक है तो देखना तू। वो चले गए। दूसरे दिन मैं सुबह अपने आप को तैयार किया, लेकिन मैंने ये सोचा था कि अगर मुझे यूरिन पीना ही है तो मैं तो उड़ेल नहीं दूंगा, आई सिप इट लाइक अ बियर। क्योंकि अगर करना है तो पूरे तरीके से करना है।
You gotta enjoy it.
मैं आपको बताऊं 15 दिन
You gotta
मैंने
savor
किया। 15 दिन के बाद जब एक्सरे निकाला गया, डॉक्टर दंग रह गए, बोलते सीमेंटिंग कैसे हुआ। ही कुड सी द व्हाइट लाइन फॉर्मिंग। और जो मैं निकलने वाला था 2 या 2.5 महीने अस्पताल के बाद, जब काम
Music है.
करना शुरू हो गया, ये जादू।
अच्छा ये भूतिया म्यूजिक है।
वीरू देवगन सब आए थे, मैं नाना
अजय देवगन ने फिर मतलब ट्रोल कर दिया इसे।
Viru Devgan, Ajay Devgan's father,
ओके, वीरू देवगन।
who is now dead and cannot protest this statement made by Paresh Rawal.
Oh
about
my
him in public.
god.
Wait a second. Viru Devgan told him to do this,
Yes.
and he did it, and then he made fun of him.
No, and then he's like कि मेरा सा he was injured something को सब ठीक हो गया उसका।
सब ठीक हो गया।
जो
तो-
उसका 30 days का कुछ हुआ था, 30-45 days in some 10 days he was fixed or
तो
some shit
वो
like that.
स्मार्ट आदमी है मेरे को लगता है। उसने उसके बाकी एडवाइस ठीक मतलब नॉर्मल था, शराब मत पी, तंबाकू मत खा, नॉनवेज मतलब ठीक
Yeah,
है,
maybe
उसे
the
लगता होगा।
effect of those things.
और हाँ, और अगर और अगर
maybe he's just like, let me also just make him drink his piss.
This guy's like you gotta have a kale smoothie. You gotta do a 5K every 3 days a week. Okay, you gotta do a spa. You gotta do a sauna, and also drink your piss. And it's the piss that'll help you. This guy, गांड मार दी।
साइकोलॉजी होगी ना
परेश
वो।
रावल करके हाँ ये सब करता हूँ।
परेश
साथ
रावल
में अपनी मुंह भी पीऊंगा।
और बियर की तरह सिप करूंगा,
Beer की
मैं
तरह sip
मजे
करूंगा।
लूंगा इसका।
मतलब सोच, अगर शाम को बियर पीने का मन कर रहा है, शराब पीने का, पार्टी करने का मन कर रहा है, बट एक चीज है तू सुबह कर चुका है कि भाई तूने इस चीज के लिए मूथ पिया है अपना, तो तू पिएगा। मतलब तू सुबह उठते ही मूथ पी चुका है, वो पूरे दिन की कमिटमेंट है
Wow.
कि अब बाकी सब तो होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि भैंस मूथ पी लिया, अब
कि
क्या
मेरा
करना?
टेस्ट ना गंदा है,
नहीं टेस्ट
मुझे वो
गंदा
अपना
है।
बियर वाला वो फ्लेवर चाहिए यार। मैं राजमा खा के नहीं सोऊंगा।
नहीं,
you know?
ये एक्सट्रीम्स में रहने के कुछ फायदे हैं
ये
ना।
परेश रावल से पूछना चाहिए कि what is the best mooth recipe that he ever has? You know, was it a biryani? Was it more of a fruit salad? What are you going for, buddy? Do you want more fats? Do you want a lean meal? Do you want like a turkey breast? Fuck is up.
Yeah.
Is it just Alpenliebe? He's just popping candies and
How
it
does he
tastes
flavor
like.
it?
Huh?
How does he flavor it?
Yeah, I'm just asking. You know, what's the best recipe for piss? The
Input,
man's got enough experience. Yeah.
input, process, output.
हाँ.
सिप करके
Sip करके पीनी चाहिए bro.
बियर की तरह।
I like
ये
it.
लेना अपना फोन
But then that means परेश रावल की मूड का टेस्ट काफी बढ़िया होगा। वो पी के देखना चाहिए हमें।
उसके मूड का टेस्ट मूड जैसा होगा।
नहीं.
उसकी बियर
Like
जैसी।
we've already established, depending on what he eats.
बट वो मूथ ही पी रहा है और फिर मूथ
और
मूथेगा
तो
ना
कहते वो
वापस।
खाना नहीं खा रहा, खाना भी तो खा रहा है साथ में।
हाँ,
हाँ, that's what it is.
मूड तक
He's not allowed to have alcohol or meat, but I believe the veggies are on the table. Perhaps a carb or two. You can fuck up a pasta, I guess.
मूड तक ठीक है, कई प्रसाद ना बांटने निकले वो।
Imagine he just ate garlic knots. That paste gonna be
garlic
stanky.
knots,
Dude, that
asparagus।
Oh,
Asparagus.
Dear.
Oh my
Dearie
God.
me.
Or
That's
maybe the asparagus is like Swiss cheese. Maybe it smells terrible and tastes great.
हाँ, उससे कुछ
It's the smell, no, with asparagus. Taste का we
earthiness
don't
तो आ
know.
जाती होगी। हाँ,
I don't think we should make fun of the mentally unwell people.
Asparagus?
The asparagus.
Asparagus
Yes.
syndrome. Yes, of
The asparagus
course.
syndrome.
Asparagus syndrome. Yeah.
Yeah. So what else is up,
Sad
dude?
reacts only.
What is happening, Mukund?
मैं तुझसे पूछने वाला था।
Oh,
Oh, we are what? Your breaking news here?
नहीं।
तूने Jewel Thief देखी?
मैंने 10 मिनट देखे।
Yes, that's all you needed to watch actually. I was like, fuck it. But I also had my iPad in front of me and I was, I was double screening it.
हाँ,
You know, when you're...
they make movies like that to be the second screen.
That is what that movie is for. You can't watch it.
You did it right, man.
Yeah.
तुमने ठीक से देखा।
It's got to be background.
हाँ,
It is so bad. It is so bad. 2 directors made this movie, by the way. And I believe
Oh.
together they have half a brain
Was there a Abbas Mastani?
in total. Huh?
Is it Abbas Mastan?
Nahi,
What?
it's Cookie Gulati and some fucking Grewal fucker, Robbie Grewal, some shit like that.
Okay.
They both have a history of making garbage.
Cookie Robbie.
They both have a history of making garbage movies. Some guy, some producer thought कि अगर दोनों साथ में बनाएंगे हो सकता है maybe they'll make a good one. Wrong again.
Bigger garbage.
It's crap.
Right.
मैं देखूंगा बट मैं
It is the worst heist movie ever. There is, oh my god, this guy is supposed to be
Starring.
मेरे को देखनी है यार मेरे को
Starring recently stabbed Saif Ali Khan.
सैफ बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को
That's what. But Jerry, this guy has gone for this weird Japanese villain look with a lot of those neons. And this guy, Jaideep Ahlawat.
Right.
Jaideep Ahlawat is a very good. He has very Indic features. I think you don't want to make him look with the Japanese tats and kimonos.
उसको नेपाली बना दिया.
He is no.
मतलब उससे पहले सैफ ही बनता
No,
था.
he's gone for this look. This guy, this
Okay.
director is so unimaginative. He went for the look from like only God can kill from Nicholas Winding Refn, okay, and he's got all these tattoos and he's in a kimono and he's got these neon lights and shit, and it's a guy in Alibag. पागल है ये गधे है डायरेक्टर ब्रो.
इसको ताइवान का वीजा कहाँ से मिल
पता
गया?
नहीं यार, पता नहीं क्या पिक्चर बनाई है.
उसकी आंखें वहाँ की खींची पीछे.
पता नहीं तुम लोगों ने देखी है कि नहीं भैंचोदी पिक्चर?
हाँ?
हैं?
उसकी आंखें वहाँ की खींची उन्होंने पीछे.
नहीं उसकी आंखें नहीं खींची, but they gave him that fucking
hair and then they
Korean
made it-
facial? Did he give a Korean facial?
उसको
at the
थोड़े
very
ऐसे
least?
blonde वैसे stripes दिए थे उसमें.
Are you serious?
they're giving him some blonde streaks.
Super Saiyan बना दिया बेंचोद.
And
नहीं
he's
नहीं
got
streaks. It's
he's got his
back.
the sides shaved off. I don't know what that the fades. He's got the
Fades,
side
हाँ.
Oh
fades.
my god, this sounds
he's a
terrible.
fuck boy.
It is
He's छपरी fuck boy. Jaideep Ahlawat.
I don't even let's whatever. It's shit.
मैंने
Like he fucks all the aunties around the local Panwadi.
हाँ basically.
Yeah.
But he's rich so.
Oh.
He's a
Yeah,
gang-
so he fucks all the aunties around the local
He-
तो
Panwadi.
मैं वहीं
he's a
तक
gangster.
पहुंचा था जहाँ पे वो सैफ को जाके बोलता है भाई तू बेस्ट चोर है. तू बेस्ट चोर है, तू मेरे लिए चोरी कर. और मैं सोने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो आई सक्सीडेड.
Yes. That is a movie to go to sleep to, dude.
भाई तू
Unfortunately,
बेस्ट
but
काम
that
चोर
was
है. मूवी भी देख नहीं पाया. बताओ.
What else? कुछ और मजेदार है. We went to the theater and we saw Sinners also. Even though that was
मेरे को देखनी है.
The makers of that movie were the biggest sinners. Anyone involved in that film project.
I don't know if he wants a fucking
I
what's his face.
hated that movie. It
अच्छी
was
नहीं लगी थी
so terrible. I'm now so excited to see it because it's like the best widely reviewed movie in a decade or something. Because
No,
critics are
uh-huh.
giving it
RT
some
scores are through the roof.
97%.
It's 97 popcorn meter, 98 tomato meter.
Yes,
Which is, I mean,
which is insane
Yes.
rating wise.
मतलब अच्छा ठीक है शायद तेरे को पसंद नहीं आई. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन हिज ओपिनियन ऑफ इट.
मुझे भी पसंद. देख उसमें ना एक्चुअली देख मैं बताता हूँ क्या है.
तू मूवीज नहीं देखता ज्यादा.
We watch it together in the cinema.
हाँ.
But
But it is not. Like, I'll tell you what it is. It is not cohesive enough for me to make sense of it. There are so many themes.
Was it zombies or vampires?
Dude, there's vampires. And then the
Vampires.
vampire thing is also.
super
Yeah.
contrived.
It's on the. It barely delivers on that vampire allegory. Okay. I think that would have been the more powerful direction to have taken it into. But
Yeah.
it had a lot of other thematic elements it chose to delve into. About the great migration south and, those basically it touched up on a lot of the socio-political issues where it didn't really need space in the story according to me. Took up too much space. And then the music angle मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
the
Music angle
narrative was
तू
hella
बता.
slow.
देख music अच्छा है.
हाँ.
But music का angle क्या है script में अभी तक समझ नहीं आया मेरे को.
हाँ. Also
Yes,
true.
I don't get it.
And it works with the scenes. But why?
वो दोनों बेडू है ना, वो डायरेक्टर और कंपोजर.
Oh.
बीडू है मतलब दोस्त है.
हाँ
वही
right.
Ryan Coogler and who's the music guy? I actually don't know.
Ludwig
Göransson.
Göransson, हाँ.
Oh, there's a lot of Childish Gambino's production.
हाँ, he's on a lot of music production.
No,
और
like
बहुत-
most of his earlier albums and
movies भी
whatever were
करता है.
entirely produced by this guy.
हाँ सही, but वो film composer भी है.
Right.
I think there are some great sequences. There are decent.
Black Panther.
There
is,
are
हाँ.
there is some great sequences, but there is on the whole not to me very impressive photography. But there are good performances.
Ah.
I think what's his face, Mr. Michael B. Jordan did a good job.
yeah, but there's not much of a payoff in this movie.
Then वही कह रहा हूँ यार.
The first half, the narrative is so fucking slow. It's like build up, and then the second half, it's so underwhelming.
मजा नहीं आया.
It just falls apart and there's nothing.
चलो
Really.
ठीक है मैं
And they even made you wait for a mid-credits, post-credits fucking scene.
That
was
is
also
so-
boring as hell.
So crazy, dude. It's so crazy. Honestly, it was very indulgent to me personally. It felt like Bo is Afraid. तुमने वो देखी Bo is Afraid? Ari Aster? Have you seen Ari Aster's work?
I saw Hereditary.
That's solid.
बहुत अच्छी थी.
The best.
I
उसका
started
best
Boys
काम वही है.
Afraid and I was very confused. Again 15-20 minutes पहले के
हाँ.
फिर मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया तो फिर मैंने बंद कर दी.
Hereditary.
मैं नॉर्मली मूवीज देखते हुए भी अपने प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करता हूँ तो अगर मेरे पहले मूवी चलाता हूँ
तू मूवी देखता है जैसे मैं पॉडकास्ट देखता हूँ कि बगल में साइड पे कुछ बज रहा है.
नहीं कुछ बज नहीं रहा तो आफ्टर अ पॉइंट मैं मूवी को ऐसे स्क्रीन विद इन द स्क्रीन कर देते क्या कहते हैं उसे
PIP.
वो
Picture in picture.
हाँ पिक्चर इन पिक्चर
PIP. Yes. Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद मैं कुछ म्यूजिक बनाना शुरू करता हूँ विद द विजुअल स्टिल गोइंग एंड द मूवी
So you're not even listening to the movie.
So the music video बनाया
एंड
उसका.
आफ्टर
It's a visualizer.
so
He's watching Jennifer's Body. It's a very sexy, scary song.
if I
You know?
make
Fight Club देख के बंदा ऐसे तेरे गाने बना रहा है.
हाँ तो
You know,
फिर
that kind of thing.
so Boys Afraid was one of those. I wanted to see it but मैंने देखा इसका रन टाइम इतना लंबा है.
But
I went to the
didn't
theater.
really
Can
want
you
to see
imagine? I saw it in the theater and I was just like, can you end it? Please end it.
it. Oh, so well done then.
'Cause,
You didn't
you know,
put yourself through the suffering.
It's the theater. You can't pause. I was just
Huh.
like, please end this movie. And I didn't want to leave in the middle of it. But, you know, fuck me, dude. So indulgent.
बट मैं सारी मूवीज ऐसे नहीं देखता जब मैं स्टूडियो में कुछ देख रहा होता हूँ तो वैसे हो जाता है.
Sure, it's fine. I'm not criticizing. I was just making haha.
I know, मैं
I
बस
literally
बता रहा
have just admitted to watching Jewel Thief with an iPad in front of me, scrolling fucking news and fucking Reddit and fucking watching
But you
shit.
watched the full
That's how it was meant
I
to
watched
be
the whole
watched.
thing though.
movie. Wow. That's crazy.
I actually tell you what, maybe I didn't see the last 5 minutes. I was like, I've seen enough of this. Maybe last 10 minutes I gave up, but I had everything on, yes.
तो क्या सैफ चुरा पाता है?
Ha, of course, it's so underwhelming. The heist is so underwhelming. It's a heist movie. Make the heist whelming.
Whelming.
Well,
Make
At
it
least.
whelm me, dude.
हाँ.
Whelm me a little bit out here,
Please
dude.
well me.
Yeah, fucking Ocean's 11. You know what it is? It's not Mission Impossible with their heists and shit, right? But they make it so well crafted in terms of the set pieces and shit, right? Steven Soderbergh does a good job there. So there's a way to do a heist where you don't have to be so out of this world. It wasn't even out of this world. It was just anyway.
Speaking of films,
Enough of this shit.
did you finally watch Badass Ravi Kumar?
नहीं अभी तक स्ट्रीमिंग पे नहीं आई है. I didn't get a chance to go to the
तूने
theater.
देखी है क्या ये पिक्चर?
नहीं, but I
मेरे को
did.
देखनी
I
है.
did finally. मुझे भी देखनी है. I finally did watch Expose
हाँ.
recently 3 times in the same weekend, and yeah, man, it just
3
that-
times in the same weekend?
Yeah, I saw it myself. Well, first time.
That movie lives on my desktop.
Expose.
Yes,
हिमेश एंड हनी
तूने
सिंह.
देखी है?
and the soundtrack.
That movie lives on my desktop. मैं अभी लैपटॉप खोल के दिखाऊंगा उसमें हमेशा एक एक्सपोजर रहता है.
शीशे का
वो तूने देख उस फोल्डर का नाम एक्सपोज जरूर है लेकिन उसके अंदर जो फोटोज कुछ और है.
नहीं
वो देख जरा बन मत.
पूरी
अब तूने
movie है.
तरह दिस इज योर बेस्ट एक्सक्यूज कि उन्होंने तो पिक्चर है. अरे इसमें हिमेश है सारा कुछ मत देख.
उसमें इरफान
डोंट
खान
लुक
भी
अरे
है.
सब्स वाले फोल्डर सब टाइटल वाले फोल्डर में मत जाइयो.
इरफान खान भी है.
डोंट गो इनसाइड.
फोल्डर नहीं है.
व्हाट इज
फोल्डर नहीं है सीधा फाइल है.
एनीवे कैरी ऑन. यू वर सेइंग
Zero friction.
about this
No, I'm
movie.
saying the
You saw
sound-
it thrice?
Yes.
Why?
I've seen
On
it maybe 15 times.
On Friday, I fell asleep watching the first half of it, and then on Saturday, I watched it with Divan while he fell asleep during half of it, and then on Sunday, me, Divan, and Karnika watched it while we all stayed awake. All happened in the same weekend.
That was a decent mystery.
That was crazy.
Yes, and what soundtrack, bro? The soundtrack
Banger-
lives in my.
Bangers.
शीशे का समंदर, पानी की दीवारें. है ना?
हाँ मेरे को बहुत मन है बैडास रवि कुमार देखने का.
मैं ऐसे वर्जन्स बनाता लकड़ी का पजामा कपड़ों के पेड़ ऐसे बहुत ऐसे बन सकते हैं. यू जस्ट टेक 2 things items made 2 objects made of the 2 individual items.
समोसे की कुर्सी.
और उन्होंने वैसा कुछ करा था.
हाँ, और
समोसे की कुर्सी and I don't know.
समोसे नहीं, समोसा फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट है ना.
Oh right. Okay.
प्रोडक्ट और रॉ मटेरियल ना.
So it got to be raw material. All right.
Yes.
All right.
मैदे
मकड़ी
लकड़ी का समोसा, मैदे की ये कुर्सी,
मकड़ी का मिमोसा.
मकड़ी का मिमोसा.
Why not?
Why not?
I have a few reasons, but sure.
Nice. That's why you like the music, because you can just
Because of the wordplay.
endlessly riff on it.
Yes,
That's it.
so
That's what it-
fun.
उसमें bangers भी ice
Yeah, I've
cream.
had this conversation before. You know what it is to me? Sometimes, like, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. I think in a group setting, I can enjoy the cringe stuff, but I can't watch it akele.
Oh,
Cringe comedy वाला ना.
हाँ, Expose is one of those movies.
मैं समझ गया picture क्या है, मेरे को vibe समझ गई.
मेरा फोन नहीं खुलता, मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं खुलता, मैं म्यूजिक नहीं बनाता, मैं बस वही मूवी देख रहा होता हूँ. मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
That's crazy.
वो हनी सिंह, हिमेश रेशमिया एंड इरफान खान इन द सेम मूवी. क्या करें इसको?
क्या बात?
Who else do you need? Honestly.
Nobody.
Yeah.
It's the modern day शोले. अभी हुआ
अच्छा,
नहीं है.
अभी बहुत ज्यादा.
Cult classic बनेगा, take off करेगा, they'll say it's the greatest movie of all time. I mean, give it 50 years.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I get it. It's the cult thing, it's whatever the thing. But yeah, maybe I'm not giving it its due. I haven't even seen it, so I can't say.
I'm not recommending it.
I haven't seen it, so I can't say. You know.
I am.
Of course you would.
I just want to be
Of
there.
course you
bro.
would, Yuvraj.
I just want to be
You
there.
made me sit here and watch Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. I was like, "Bhai, तो क्या
That's
दिखा
a
रहा है?"
great movie.
Shut
Fuck
up.
off.
Actually, Expose I caught in the theaters when it came out.
Lucky bastard. I couldn't get any of my friends to go with me, and I'm like, I'm not going to watch this alone.
उसके सारे timings भी बहुत late
That's
हो
the
गए
same
थे.
thing happened with Badass Ravi Kumar also.
We're
right?
talking about
All of you
Badass
guys-
now.
अच्छा.
Badass मिस हो गई ना.
Badass सबकी मिस हुई है. मैं तो
Badass
I
तेरे-
didn't even try to.
पहले तो एक्सपोज देखेंगे,
Yeah.
फिर बैडास तेरे घर पे अच्छे बड़े स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे.
जब आएगी.
हाँ, वो हमारा सिनेमा एक्सपीरियंस होगा.
मुझे
मुझे
कुछ नहीं
गाने
देखना भाई.
है?
मुझे कुछ देखना नहीं भाई.
Who
ऐसे-
asked?
मेरे को हिमेश रेशमिया नहीं देखना भाई.
Hey, put some fucking respect on HR, bro.
उसे कुछ तो
HR.
पता है.
किससे?
That's what I say about Himesh Reshammiya. He knows something.
About
क्योंकि वो kill कर रहा है. I don't know, man.
और उसकी शायरियाँ
If
Kill
I
कैसे
knew,
कर रहा है? उसकी पिक्चर तो फ्लॉप हुई है यार. Badass Ravi Kumar तूने देखा
तू
किसी?
समझ नहीं
क्या
रहा.
collection
तू
उसका?
लॉन्ग टर्म विजन समझ नहीं रहा.
उसका
तू
म्यूजिक
fucking
तो
पे-
फिर भी हिट है.
और तेरे को लगता है म्यूजिक पे वो कमा लेगा इतने?
कमा लेगा. हाँ.
नहीं.
I saw एक
I'll-
न्यूज़, एक खबर भी निकली
The
थी.
only
कि
way
उसने-
that artists make the money, what are you looking for? Is through fucking live events and stuff. It's not through streams or sales. देखो लगता है इंडिया में लोग उसके वेंचर एल्बम खरीद रहे हैं.
Oh yeah? Well, we're not doing any live events.
No live events, but
Yeah.
मैंने उसके कॉन्सर्ट का
अभी
टिकट
ना
खरीदा
मैं-
है. The Cap Mania tour. He's coming to Delhi.
No cap.
I have the
No
आपका
cap, bro.
जरूर लेफ्ट सेक्शन वाले टिकट्स हैं मेरे पास.
That is so crazy to me.
The Cap?
Cap Mania. That's
कौन
called.
है ये?
उसके टूर का नाम है हिमेश.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, no cap, dude. That's the name.
जून में है.
Because he very famously went famous with the Cap, if you remember.
Yeah, but
was his
now
whole
why is it
shtick.
called Cap Mania? सब तो पहनता नहीं आदमी.
अब तो पहनेगा ना स्टेज
और
पर.
फिर पहन लेगा. ये बंदा रीब्रांड कर रहा है बस अपने आप को.
Oh, ऐसे.
मार्केटिंग
because-
मार्केटिंग चल रही है. देख मार्केटिंग I think he's got it.
See,
locked
when he
down.
first came on the scene, he was like 25, fat, balding, looked like he was 45, and then that's why he wore the cap, and then he fixed up
Then he went to
everything.
Turkey. Then he had a long
Fixed
stay
up-
in Turkey. He
fixed
got
up
the right
everything.
plugs.
He
He went
drank
along
his own
with-
piss.
Got fit,
He probably drank his own piss.
drank his
Yeah.
own piss.
Yeah, no, he
He's
started
Paresh
he started
Rawal it.
gymming. He started rock climbing and shit. He started eating healthy, and he started drinking his
And at
piss.
45, he looks 30.
And after the piss, now because he
Now
started
at-
drinking his
now
piss,
at 50, he
his
looks
hair
35,
grew his hair grew back because of his piss.
Yep, that sounds right.
No, congratulations and congrats on the glow up,
And
Mr. Reshamia.
हाँ.
that's
Mr.
another-
Reshamia. Is it Reshamia?
Reshamia.
Reshamia.
मैं एक बार वेंकी से KMC गया था. So हाँ. मेट्रो से.
For the context, guys, Venki's college in DU.
It's in North Campus.
और KMC भी DU में है.
KMC South Campus.
Venki is also the name
Sorry.
of the canteen wala in my college. And
उल्टा हो
वेंकी के
गया.
बर्गर होते हैं ना वेंकी के. नहीं वो वेंडी है शायद से.
नहीं, KMC South North Campus में और वेंकी South Campus में.
Okay.
तो फिर काफी लंबा रास्ता है. और एक
Right.
दिन मैंने सुना कि KMC में हिमेश रेशमिया आ रहा है.
MKC में हमेशा में आ गया.
KMC.
Okay.
तो तू गया.
मैं गया. मैं ऐसे 1.5 घंटा ट्रैवल करा मैं अपने एक दोस्त के साथ.
Wow.
और जब
Don't
हम
lie, you
पहुंचे,
did it alone.
नहीं, मैं और सुमेर गए थे.
मैं और मेरा दोस्त.
Remember?
भाटिया.
हाँ.
Yes.
हम
Short
वहाँ
king.
हम वहाँ पहुंचे और पता चला कि हिमेश 5 मिनट के लिए स्टेज पे आया था. सबको वेव करा. उसके गाने चल रहे थे और वो चला गया.
भाई का वजूद ही ऐसा है ब्रो. भाई का Ashan, you just can't. What you'll
So
तू
did you
टिकट नहीं खरीदेगा
And
तू
since-
बेकारियों की तरह मेट्रो पे कॉलेज जाएगा और वो तेरे को दे देगा पूरा परफॉर्मेंस.
ये मतलब ये
जा कैप मेनिया में तेरे को टोबी पहना गया कैप.
नहीं ये इसमें गाएगा.
even
मुझे
after this momentous disappointment, you continue to support the man.
वो तो KMC में तो फ्री में
He
हो
is
रहा
the
है.
momentous disappointment. वो तो लॉर्ड हिमेश है भाई. वो JMD LR.
Himesh, you gotta give respect to the fans, bro.
ये कौन सा
I'm just
गाना था
saying.
यही
Not this one.
यही गलती.
So now he's got cap mania going when he has a full head of hair. What's up with that?
Fusion.
मेरे पास
New genre.
मेरे पास एक लाइन है.
बता.
यही गलती मैं बार बार करता हूँ. एक आदमी हूँ आदमी से प्यार करता हूँ. हिमेश.
ये हिमेश ने बोला है?
नहीं मैंने लाइन भी गलत बोल दी है बट ये मेरी तरफ से हिमेश के लिए.
Oh, तो हिमेश
Wow.
Oh, wow. I thought Nicolas Cage would have. He
मैं
also.
उससे भी प्यार करता हूँ.
You are paraphrasing Himesh who
तो
paraphrased whoever
then
came
your
up
line
with this.
should be
in the
मैं
beginning.
आदमियों से प्यार करता हूँ. I think you got
He's
to do
not
that.
Polly.
Yeah, literally, he just said, admitted that Nicolas Cage is up there.
Platonic love.
Is he coming out with a new movie this year? I think he is. No,
He is doing
he's
something.
got to do it. What else is he gonna do?
और क्या करेगा?
Listen, the man has 4 wives. You know how many divorces that is? You have to do every movie you get. That's the only way you sustain fucking. He's literally just got a new fucking Japanese wife about like a couple of years ago or some shit. Just had a baby with her.
Nicolas
she's about
Cage.
half his age or something. I guess something like that. You gotta do it. You got fucking 5 divorces. You have
Long
to pay
legs.
the alimony. Yes.
इस साल कुछ तो नया आ रहा है.
Another child.
हाँ नहीं मेरी Amazon watch list
No,
पे अभी
last year हुआ है अभी.
Butcher's Crossing is the next one I'm gonna watch. He goes on a boar hunt with his
Oh.
friends.
Butcher's
Nick Cage, yeah.
Butcher's
I
Crossing.
haven't-
Is that
all
out
his
this year?
movies?
No.
It's out already. अभी Amazon पे आई है तो मैं देखूंगा.
ये किसने बनाई है? You know?
होगा कोई चौधू.
कोई
First
चौधरी
time
डायरेक्टर
कोई
है.
चौधरी होगा.
मूवी भी मैं तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके जाते ही नहीं. मेरे को बस भाई की परफॉर्मेंस तो हमेशा अच्छी रहती है.
It's not got a whole lot of
I loved him in Leaving Las
positive,
Vegas.
but
हाँ you won
so
an
it's out in
Oscar
the
for
cold.
that.
That's why I watched it. I was like, Nick Cage as an Oscar. I got to watch this movie.
बहुत अच्छी थी.
And in fact, वो जो पहला गाना मैंने निकाला था ना, Year of the Rat 2020 में.
अर्पण के
I-
साथ.
Yes, Arpan did the midsection of that. The rest of the production was me on that one.
You've produced
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah. Laugh. But yeah, but
सुनना पड़ेगा.
yeah, obviously it's a far. Listen, it's growing pains. It's big
Year
enough.
of the Rat.
Yeah. It's the first thing I ever produced on FL Studio, by the way, and I decided to.
That's good enough.
Yeah. I was very happy with the composition of it, and I didn't understand sound too much, so I was like, this is good to go. I'll have it mixed and mastered. I did have it mixed and mastered by somebody who, yeah.
Gabe Polsky, इसने क्या करा है भाई?
But no, in this song, in my lyrics also, I reference Nick Cage in Leaving Las Vegas. In fact, it's part of the bars. So, yeah.
तन्हाई तेरे को
I'm very
पसंद-
happy
पसंद-
with-
इसको भी तन्हाई पसंद है guys और Nicolas Cage go Leaving Las Vegas. It's a good performance, but like you know, I think Nick Cage has done way better.
Yeah,
He
but
has.
Yeah.
उसे पिग के लिए कुछ मिलना चाहिए था.
Mandy
Pig is
was
better
so
than that.
good. So
Mandy was better
phenomenal.
than Leaving Las Vegas.
long legs.
Long was good,
was
but like
barely
not-
there.
6 minutes of screen time, 8 minutes.
Nah, वो मैं मूवी को वापस भी नहीं देखूंगा मेरे को लगता है.
Huh. I mean, it's good. He's nailed the aesthetic down. I think we had the conversation, but not really. Not really on the whole for me.
Well,
Structure. I think structure is very important to me.
Yeah.
I've realized over time.
That's why we're.
I'm getting a
Besties.
second call. I might have to pick this up.
Go for it. We'll pause.
Is it money? Honey. Boo.
अपना सपना honey 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 honey
अपना सपना honey ठरकी साला.
Pakistan already भीख मांगने दे रही सी.
हाँ.
Pakistan's already asking for money.
भिखारियों की
Big
तरह.
भीख मांगनी शुरू हो गई उनकी.
किससे?
China and Saudi Arabia both.
Oh, clean money.
Yeah, $1 billion. They're like, dude, can you give us?
Please, guys.
Can you give us some money?
थोड़े पैसे.
इंडिया ने
would be
हमारा
nice.
पैसा पानी बंद कर दिया, पानी चला दिया, दोनों चीजें कर दी.
Guys, सूख ही नहीं रहा. हमें थोड़ा यार evaporate करा रहा है कुछ यार.
कटोरा लेके आ गया अपना मैच. Classic. What a nation, dude. For funny guys, huh?
Speaking of other Garib people behavior / phenomenon / circumstances, have you heard of the
Slash, shut up. Carry on.
thanks
Carry on.
कॉमेडी का गरीब मैं भी हूँ कोई बात नहीं but Europe power outages. Have you seen
Spain
that
हुआ
shit?
ना? Spain has
मेरे
this
भाई
insane
की-
blackout, no?
मेरे भाई
Oh,
की
dude,
गार्ड
your
लग चुकी है.
fucking
My
brothers are-
brother is there. My
They're all
mom.
blackout there, dude.
My mom's bitching about this the whole day, bro.
No
Listen.
way. Viraj is out in darkness,
He
out
had-
cold.
Yeah, he had to walk 12 kilometers to go check on my cousin who wasn't picking up her phone.
भाई blackout में गाड़ी पे चलने बंद हो जाती है क्या?
Now because metro वगैरह सब बंद है, public transport is all shut.
Public transport. Why
Metro
are,
भी नहीं चल रही है
why are
भाई.
taxis not operational?
Taxis हैं, but the prices are exorbitant.
Oh right, okay.
So he walked
12 miles.
kilometers.
12 kilometers.
Kilometers.
Okay.
Probably for first time in his life.
Congratulations.
And, yeah.
Hey, you know, gotta get the guys moving
And my
somehow.
mom's like, the poor boy, this, that. I told your father he didn't really care. I'm like, the guy got exercise, bro.
हाँ.
His
Get
knees,
10,000 steps.
yeah, his knees, considering what he's been through, I think he should maintain some amount of physical activity. But what's the situation like? How long have the blackouts been going
3 days.
for? 3 days.
2 days.
Without electricity. तो सो कैसे रहा है आदमी?
बहुत मुश्किल से.
I would-
पसीने
AC
में.
तो नहीं चलाते होंगे. मैंने
चल ही नहीं रहा.
talking
हाँ,
about-
चला. अभी
I-
summer है. जब मैं I went
When I
to
was
him-
there, I had fucking
I was
ACs
with him
on.
in April 2 years
They-
ago when
अच्छा,
he had
oh.
just moved.
Never been to Spain. So
You need ACs there, dude. It's hot.
2023 April I was there with him when he had just moved and तो उसके तब AC नहीं चल रहा था. मेरी गांड कोई पंखा क्योंकि उसका AC
Bro,
सेटअप नहीं हुआ था.
30 डिग्री तक पहुंच
मेरी
जाता
गांड
है.
फट चुकी थी
Oh,
उसके घर के
तो
अंदर
AC
भाई.
लगाते होंगे.
Yes.
एंड नो वेंटिलेशन क्योंकि भैन के लोड़े पंखे भी नहीं लगाते.
पंखे नहीं लगाते.
लगाते ही नहीं है चूतिए.
मैंने भी
अबे हाथ
मैंने भी नहीं लगाया.
मैंने भी नहीं
वैसे.
लगाया.
पर तेरा एसी ना तभी बंद होगा जिस दिन हिमालय में ठंड बंद होगी ना. तो उसका कोई चिंता नहीं है.
Excuse me, what?
हाँ.
जिस दिन हिमालय में ठंड बंद होगी?
मतलब तेरा कमरा your space is always going to be cold forever and forever.
Very cold. मैं हर बार सोचता हूँ next time एक जैकेट या ब्लैंकेट लाऊंगा. और मैं
There
is
is
the-
a jacket.
हर
I'll get
बार
some
भूल
blankets.
जाता हूँ.
I'll get some blankets.
आज ठीक है.
It's hot now.
Your office
हाँ.
is colder than the southern parts of Kashmir.
That's how it should
just
be.
is.
That's how it should be. We're competing out here. You know what it is?
So yeah, उसकी गांड फट चुकी है. And यार मैं गलती से हंस दिया जब अभी कुछ सुबह बता रही थी. So she did not take kindly to that.
What?
पता नहीं कुछ कह रही थी. His class something and he couldn't charge his phone and something.
Class as in he
and
missed his class or
some shit like that. I
Achha.
wasn't paying attention. I was just laughing because it was
and
just.
he couldn't charge his
It sounded like some 12-year-old problem.
First world problems.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no electricity.
नहीं, I'm like ठीक है ये गोरे लोग भी थोड़ी ऐसी देखे भाई कि वाह हमारे गांव में क्या होता है वगैरह
हाँ.
वगैरह. वो भी थोड़ी ऐसी जिंदगी जिए.
बिल्कुल.
Maybe
So,
they'll be
what is the
humbled.
cause of this? Do you know?
Something to do with the grid.
Oh, is it? No, but why is there shortages with the grid?
क्या पता बहन जो फैक्ट्स तेरा काम है.
Headline पढ़ के बस हो गया काम.
हाँ.
आगे बढ़ो.
हेडलाइन भी नहीं मैं तो मम्मी बता रही है. तू देखना encyclopedia की औलाद.
Orders gone out to J&K to stockpile blood and supplies in hospitals and shit.
And shit. It's like reading the headline and shit जोड़ दिया.
Orders gone out. No, this is 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the insurgents are stockpiling.
हाँ खून की शॉर्टेज तो होने वाली है वहाँ पे.
Stockpiling. Yeah, who knows what's happening, dude. Insurgents are probably stockpiling rocks. उनको पत्थर फेंकना पसंद. पत्थर उठा.
Slingshots.
Fucking get it.
Slingshots must be
They're
happening.
getting the
for
stones. They're
sure.
collecting the stones and shit. Yeah.
Amazon पे slingshots मंगाए जा रहे हैं.
There's orders. The broadcast message gone on WhatsApp. Collect the rocks.
हाँ. WhatsApp
It's gonna be
universe.
all out war. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. But it is a wild situation out there.
I'll go talk about this to my dad. कि पता है वो पत्थर इकट्ठे करे. कल तेरे बाप तक पहुंच जाएगा WhatsApp पे. Forward के चक्कर में.
Wow.
मेरे बाप ने पता है. I think I might have told you this before. लेकिन अब तो मर चुका है प्रिंस फिलिप. लेकिन उसके मरने के 6 महीने पहले मेरे बाप ने उसको उड़ा दिया था.
ये तो बहुत होता
है
है.
ना कि प्रिंस फिलिप मर चुका है.
लोग ऐसे
तो
सेलिब्रिटीज तो ऐसे लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर मरते ही रहते हैं कि हाँ ये बंदा मर गया. अबे जिंदा है. छुट्टी में था.
कि तुम्हें नहीं पता.
Yeah.
So
They're not telling us yet.
Uncle authors those.
Authors
messages.
नहीं लेकिन
He
वो
writes them.
receive नहीं एक टाइम ऐसा था
He
कि वो
openly
receive-
accepts and he graciously forwards. That is what it is.
It has now changed probably in the past couple of years, I would think. But there was certainly a 5-6 year very healthy phase in which my father was completing his degree from WhatsApp University and all the information was coming there. And Yogi is going to be the Prime Minister. Prince Philip
वो सब तो
is
ठीक है.
dead.
कूल होता अगर अंकल खुद अपने लिख रहे होते तो फिर कुछ तो पता चलता सोर्स के बारे में. भैंचो ये सब लिखता कौन है?
I wish.
मतलब that is not IT cell or
We can always start
fucking-
some ourselves. Start these
Ah.
dirty rumors at home and see what happens.
That's you gotta do that shit, dude.
I'm sure there's kids doing that. That's how a lot of this shit is happening.
You know what it is with some of these accounts that show up on your feed. For example, on the propaganda account on Instagram and stuff, a lot of these creator hack.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe whatever the fuck. All these creator hack videos and shit, show up. One of the one of the carousels that I saw was how to create fucking whatever the fuck buzz about your content. Create
I
create
saw
fan
that.
accounts. Create fan accounts. Huh? You saw?
हाँ,
Yeah, create fan account.
create your own fan account.
Create your own fan account. Hold on a second. What was that? And I'm forgetting the rest. But something to the effect of just fake your shit or whatever the fuck. I
Fake
forget.
it till you make it, queen.
How am I forgetting? I'm just blanking on what the other details were.
You never were very intelligent or good with memory.
Correct.
हाँ बट सारे फैन अकाउंट्स वही हैं कि PR फर्म वाले में बच्चा बैठाया हुआ है वहाँ पे रील.
तो मैं वही कह रहा था कि basically yeah. So yeah, I think the thesis was correct. There probably are people who do this shit.
Yeah, they're called PR firms.
Right. Exactly. Yeah.
उनका काम है एड फर्म्स सारे Amazon के
Yeah.
रिव्यूज भी नकली होते हैं.
There are also state actors. है ना?
हाँ?
There's also
State actors.
state actors and shit.
What do you mean? What
Being
You know,
contracted by the
pushing
state.
public discourse and stuff on the internet,
Oh.
spicing up the discourse.
हाँ.
You know,
They're called straight actors.
state actors,
like government,
state actors,
अच्छा, oh.
state ने employ कर रखा
Most
है.
of these people are not
अरे
straight.
जो बोलते रहते हैं ना लोग IT cell निकाल दिए, IT cell निकाल दिए,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
मतलब क्या है?
हाँ.
It's a state actor, ना?
Okay.
Right. The state has an army of bots, or they have an army of people who want
The
to
states.
amplify certain,
Yeah.
discussions or
The straights. They have an army
the
of bots.
straights.
The
Yeah,
straights.
yes, yeah.
हाँ, I
This,
thought
they're
like
the straight actors. Fuck the gay ones. They're taking too much space lately.
nee, the straight actors would be gay, right? Because they're acting straight.
Oh, interesting. Maybe there's another way to look at it.
So government is gay.
So the
Government is gay.
government's quite fucking
He's
gay.
still single, man, guys.
Government is gay as
He's
fuck.
still single.
Government is gay and brahmachari.
You know what it is?
The government. That's what it is.
There's a very funny Reddit thing that I was reading.
We're all dying.
क्या था? There was some Pakistanis asking on r/China to help them, r/China. Regards from Pakistan for helping us in 2016. Hey guys, I'm Pakistani. Recently, we're just going. Yeah, hey guys, I'm Pakistani. Recently, we're just going through some escalations with India, especially after the suspension of the Indus water treatment. When I heard of it, it reminded me of what you guys did to block India from building a dam in the Indus, stopping a conflict. Thank you. Just hey guys, in case you're listening, we need your help.
Will you please respond to me?
Can you fucking
Does China even have Reddit?
पूरा देश ही वो होता है ना वो have you that
Would you please tell me what to do so I can go and do it?
No, and it's how it is. For example, now the leadership is out there asking the fuck. By the way, I don't know if you know this. The president went to China, and then
Pakistani.
The Pakistani president went to China. Then he got COVID, and he hasn't been seen in like 2-3 days. So anyway,
He must have been replaced with a lookalike.
The point being, the point
नहीं
being,
वो भाग गया कोविड का बहाना बना रहा है.
the point being वो है ना वो phrase होता है यदा प्रथा यदा राजा.
You mean Yeda?
यदा येड़ा प्रथा येड़ा राजा. यही चल रहा है कि president भी चाइना जा रहा है भीख मांगने and the fucking people on Reddit are also doing the
What
same shit.
Yeda क्या होता है?
यदा प्रथा यदा राजा. That's just a Sanskrit way to say it, I think. यदा
Yeda Yeda ही बन गया.
यदा येड़ा नहीं होता ब्रो. मैंने येड़ा कर दिया उसको.
तो Yeda होता क्या है?
हाँ याद है क्या?
अरे जैसे यदा तथा
Oh.
यदा प्रथा यदा राजा.
यहाँ तो Yeda Yeda ही चल रहा है.
हाँ तू आदमी येड़ा है ना.
तो पाकिस्तानी बात कर रहे हैं हम यार.
Correct. That's right.
वो प्रथा तो Yeda है मेरे भाई.
प्रथा प्रथम all of
Shout
that.
outs to my Pakistani friends from college. Miss you guys.
Don't fuck with us. You kill 27, will fuck up 27 million or some shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I zoned
Yes,
out.
violence.
नहीं
He's on
Violence
he,
mostly.
he doesn't know. He doesn't know.
मैं बोल गया
It's just-
27 million अच्छा oh
This is violently threatening the
From
population
the-
of Pakistan.
from the quiz
I'm saying it should be on from the quiz.
What quiz?
हमने एक इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्विज करी थी ना
That actually is so
Oh,
उसमें
thematically.
क्या पॉपुलेशन का आंसर था कुछ
Oh God, I forgot that. That was your first episode with us, was it not?
Yes.
हाँ फर्स्ट
Independence Day special.
Second was the Happy New Year.
Every
but
time you come on,
we
you refuse to
off.
take our nation's side,
I always take my
and we
nation's
just, huh?
side. नहीं go India
He's just not riled up enough.
Yeah, you're not excited about this country. That's why I won that as well, because I'm the bigger Deshbhakt.
I want to avenge the blood of my brothers.
Yes,
why not
I'm just kidding.
and your brothers.
I don't really care, dude.
तू पहाड़ी है, actually तेरे भाई है. But you know I'm avenging them out here.
No, but frankly, listen, if we actually were to go to war, they only have the resources for their army to fight for 4 days.
They.
Which one?
Pakistan.
हाँ
They can't.
Us तो भाई.
हमारी तो बहुत
We're
बढ़िया
loaded.
आर्मी हो गई यार
We have money, yes.
Our economy is almost as big as California's by 1 trillion. Which,
Yeah.
by the way, has overtaken Japan.
Oh, that's cool.
California is now the 4th largest economy in the world.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it doesn't count for shit. In the sense of
Of
like the G8 or the G7, where the
yes, as in-
the organizations where you actually can lever that
yeah, if
economical
only they could
position.
become their own country.
Not like the G7 is any more relevant because it's not decided by actually the 7 largest. India would be in the fucking G7 if that was the case. बहुत geopolitical हो गया थोड़ा सा है ना ये this episode.
We are
Tell me about the fucking culture, dude.
Socially
What's
gone.
happening out here in the culture, bruv?
कल्चर में और युवराज कल्चर
बना रहे हैं, dude.
बना रहे हैं
culture.
बना रहे हैं.
तुम्हें पता नहीं है लेकिन हो
दुनिया
रहा है.
देखेगी.
हो रहा है
अभी देखेगी दुनिया.
हो तो रहा है.
हाँ
दुनिया ने देखना है अभी.
सुनना भी है.
सुन ले
देख हाँ सुन लेंगे.
देखने में तो अभी साल है
देखने में कुछ साल लगेगा थोड़ा सा.
देखने में.
सुन लेना पहले. करेक्ट.
हाँ
देखने में टाइम लगेगा.
हमारे बंदे ने बोला था कि जल्दी हो जाएगा बट टाइम ले रहा
थोड़ा
है
time-
ओह ये तो पूरा बदला है guys.
थोड़ा time-
हाँ तो हम भी यही सोच रहे थे बाय द वे. तू
क्या?
आज इतना जो लेट आया ना 6000 घंटे
तूने बदला लिया.
तूने इससे बदला लिया
कि मैं-
कि
तीन
तूने
महीने-
3 महीने लेट कर दी मेरी म्यूजिक वीडियो. तू देख बहन के लोड़े मैं तेरे पॉडकास्ट के
वो
ऐसे
तो-
मार्च होता
तेरे
हूँ.
तो
podcast
वैसे-
की धूम मचा दूंगा.
वो तो वैसे भी हम नहीं निकालने वाले थे बाकी गानों से पहले
Yeah.
हाँ
तो इसलिए अब मैं पहले वो सारे गाने खत्म करूंगा फिर मैं इसको परेशान करूंगा
नहीं वो उससे पहले हो जाएगा.
हाँ
I'm actually going to be doing it.
क्योंकि
before.
हमें गानों में ही 4 साल लग जाएंगे.
ऐसी बात
नहीं
गाने वाला है.
ऐसी बात तो वो तुम्हारा बिजनेस है. That's not my beeswax. I don't want to get involved, dude.
तेरा 8 साल में बन जाएगा एक वीडियो.
नहीं. No, I just need to.
इस महीने ही होगा.
Yeah. I'll do it in the.
इस महीने मतलब कल परसों
I think the middle of May. I think the middle of May is looking spicy to me right now.
ओह.
Yeah.
14th मई को मैं अच्छा
14 May, you're busy.
Not
Hanji,
14th,
I'm busy right now. What's up? अभी चाहिए कि कल हो जाएगा. अब तो लेट हो गया ना. हाँ ठीक है.
साहब बिजी हैं.
बहुत busy हैं.
साहब बिजी.
अबे अब तो 8 बजे साइन कराने आया भाई बंदा. क्या चाहता क्या है? कुछ जानने तो वाला है नहीं कहीं पे. कल डॉक्यूमेंट जाएंगे कल. So what am I supposed to do out here, dude?
Yeah, focus on your work, bruv.
This guy is not even fucking responded. Dude, I have this fucking shoot in a day and a half and I have not even got the details yet.
Yeah,
I don't even know what the fuck I'm shooting.
Off the top of the
fuck
dome, baby.
Am I going to fucking arrange in a day? This guy's crazy.
Improvise it, bro.
Fuck off.
सब कुछ ले जा
हैं?
सब ले जा
सब कुछ ले जा नहीं. पहली बार यहाँ पे शूट हो रही.
ले जा उनका धंधा ले जा. Be like मालिक अब मैं हूँ.
प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर को चाहिए या पता ही नहीं मेरे को.
Let me decide.
Anyway, let's hope we fucking get a call soon. The moment I get a call, I'm cutting this podcast. Anything else we have to talk about?
Wow.
I only did the whole Pakistan shit.
I see you prioritize money over friends.
I've got work to do, dude.
Yeah, I get it totally.
There
There is something else.
Yeah, Pakistan sees 1.4
Speaking of-
billion from China.
Speaking of work,
Speaking of putting in work, tell me. Hit me.
the Women's Tennis Association has new maternity policy.
Okay.
उसमें क्या है
What's the details on that?
So they said so. Wait,
Wow.
article guy mentioned.
Congratulations.
वही पढ़ते रहो
Oh yeah.
तू बता कुछ मस्त
हाँ?
कुछ देखा तूने मस्त आजकल?
कुछ मस्त
देखा है कुछ?
नहीं मैं रोडीज देख रहा हूँ
The WTA has
That's
introduced
crazy to me, dude. That is so crazy.
उसमें कुछ क्रेजी होता है
The
हर
Women's Tennis Organization or the World Trade?
Association.
World Trade.
The women's trade, they trade women.
Oh,
But
wow.
the Women's Trade Association, the Women's Tennis Association,
WTA.
Is it A or O?
A,
WTA.
WTA.
has introduced a new
Vata savan ki ghata. Dun, 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 dun.
trade women.
Achha, anyway, carry on.
Has introduced a new maternity policy funded by Saudi.
Nice. Get them all fucking pregnant. Let's go, baby. Maternity policy.
Fund-
Every woman's got to be having babies.
And they will
New
be.
maternity policy is you gotta have a baby bonuses.
You're gonna
you
love
crank out a
this.
baby a year, and we'll get you to. And there's got to be Hindu babies. It's a demographics
No,
policy.
you're
And
you're
it'll
gonna
give
love
you-
half of this.
Okay, sorry, carry on. What's
You're
the
gonna-
actual policy? Give me-
You're gonna love half of this because the next line is funded by Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund.
Is it going to be all
Yes.
Muslim women? They're going to be funding Muslim babies. The demographic fucking divide is coming up. Let's go.
See, he just went the Hindu route. I'm like, no, you're just gonna steer here. Hold on.
There you go.
Right tangent, but yeah. Wrong number. Offering up to 12 months of paid maternity leave to eligible players.
मैंने क्या बोला? मैं बोला ना बच्चे खरीद रहे हैं. बता आगे.
To eligible players. This groundbreaking.
Eligible.
Yes,
What does that
yes.
mean? Burqa. That. What she chooses.
I was
Sorry,
going
carry on.
rather
Carry
with
on. Banana leaf.
biologically female with beginning, but sure. Like uterus birth giving. Eligible.
हाँ ठीक है.
Who else would be eligible?
No.
That's like an automatic. It's not an actual criteria, right? It's
अच्छा ठीक है.
part
Let's skip the biography lesson. आगे
This
उसके बाद
biography, thanks. This groundbreaking initiative also provides,
biology. Biography.
This groundbreaking initiative also provides grants for fertility treatments, including egg freezing and IVF. Players who
So
Okay,
is it
ठीक है.
allowed?
हाँ, ठीक
what?
उसमें नहीं वो egg freezing के साथ भी मिलेगा.
हाँ मतलब एक दो अंडे फ्री में फ्रीज हो जाएंगे आई गेस.
हाँ.
मतलब
ओ अच्छा
होगा.
सही.
Buy one get one कुछ होगा. And wait. 2 months paid leave for non-birthing parents.
2 months paid leave for non-birthing parents.
Yes.
मतलब जिनका
Parents.
खुद नहीं किसी और को
अच्छा तो
दे
उन्होंने
दिया ना
basically they've given
उगाने
it.
को.
It's like a surrogate or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or adoption, I'm guessing.
Okay, carry on. And 12 months paid leave for someone who actually sticks it
As a
in the
birthing parent.
yeah
Who actually
stick it in the oven. This lady's
becomes an oven essentially.
तो
Yeah.
Women's Trade Association ने क्या
Mrs. Sayyed is going to be carrying 2 term herself,
Yeah.
right?
Female athletes should
Sharma's
not
not allowed. It's Saudi money. Sharma जी को नहीं allowed है. मुझे
Yeah, but this
मुझे सलमा बेगम लेके आओ. अच्छा, carry on, sir. Carry on.
no, but this little piece that I read on it, na, is really
Have you lost it? What's up?
No, I found it.
Okay.
The piece that I read on it. First, I was giving you some deets.
Oh, there was a piece also pictured.
Yeah,
Oh, carry on.
there's 2 of them. But anyway, the piece that's written, the wording of it just made me laugh a bit. Right? Female athletes should not have to choose between career and motherhood. In a transformative move, announces policy including grants for egg freezing. For far too long, women athletes around the world have faced an unfair choice between chasing their professional dreams and starting a family. But change is finally here. They support egg freezing, blah, blah, blah. They don't have to sacrifice their ambitions for motherhood, but their still career is suffering, no?
Career
It's
suffering?
not
No.
like their rank is being frozen or anything.
Yeah, so I mean, I think it just depends on the nuances of how it plays out for them. Do they just take the 1 year paid leave off? Do they take more time off when they want to parent? I think that's a very personal
Yeah,
choice. I don't think it totally negates the problem with the whole women's pay equity thing is that women take out time to raise families, and that actually impacts their career prospects, right? It's not just like on the dollar kind of thing comparison.
Right.
So
Yeah.
frankly, I mean, it's still a choice.
Yeah, the idea is that men should be taking out more time.
But I'm just saying,
But-
you just got to follow the money, and you know who's funding it,
Saudis.
and so you know, ये WTA कौन से देश में?
World Tennis Association.
दुनिया में.
वर्ल्ड में है ये,
हाँ.
हर जगह फैला रहे हैं ये.
हाँ.
Global.
Yes.
It's going to be the global
कौन सी जगह में ये is
It's
nuts.
going to be a global caliphate, folks.
You thought W was Wakanda word.
I don't know, man. I don't fucking know what I was thinking.
Okay, Women's Tennis Association. हाँ, but World Cup.
Wasipur or something, you know? Like I was thinking,
Wasipur Tennis Association.
it is Women's Tennis Association,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Hey, bitch. But it is for the world,
Yes.
is it? It's for the whole world.
It's a WW.
That's crazy.
It's a WW. Wasipur Women's World Tennis Association.
The Hindu majority can enjoy its last days on this planet. TikTok. What I'm saying.
TikTok.
TikTok is what I'm saying. You know?
I'm just saying, they ain't really supporting them if they ain't freezing their ranks. If they are, because who's going to raise the kid?
Well, that's why they're getting 2 months off.
It's like you get the money.
You can raise the kid in 2 months.
and then
It's
you're
done.
gonna
Yeah.
No,
Start to finish. You can grow it. Just give it a lot of protein.
yeah.
Get your kid jacked. Send it to the gym. You'll grow the kid in 2 months.
Yeah.
That sounds right. That's good.
It's a step in the right direction. I mean, it's something. It's better than not doing anything, I guess. You know.
Yeah,
But you can never solve all these problems.
Yeah, it is a step in the right direction. I've been waiting for the Islamization of tennis for a while now.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
The skirts are going to go.
Of course, Saudi Arabia, the leader of Islam, had to take this move. You know, it makes sense. It's good.
Yeah.
Let's go. The Hinduization of cricket, the Islamization of tennis, and American
The
football.
Chinese, the Japanification of baseball.
Yes, that's certainly a thing.
Let's go for that, huh?
I cannot say the blackification of football, can I?
Blackification.
You just did.
That is, yep. It's already been said.
I'm just saying, you know that common thing that when France won the 2018 World Cup, it's like
You know the common thing where blacks do good in sports? Right? That's the thing.
हाँ करते हैं अच्छा
It's all over the world, dude.
yeah,
It's not just...
and just because they happen to be better at it doesn't mean
doesn't mean
it's
that
fair to say it.
it's... Is it?
I guess.
Ah.
But this was a very, this was quite the meme.
They do a good job. I like the blacks. They do a good job in the sports.
They're great.
So what? Yeah, you just actually
Sports and
appreciate.
music.
You're appreciating something that someone is good at. I think the fact that there is a racial element, not racist. It's racial. It's racialism.
हाँ
You know?
Yeah.
Is it okay to be racialist?
They're they're in the race, I guess.
मतलब race is
नहीं, racist. No, racialist.
No, racist
Ah,
has a bad
racialist.
connotation to it.
Yeah, you gotta invent a new. You gotta spin it, dude. I'm a racialist.
racialist.
I know if I
I'm a-
want to have a banker, I gotta trust a good Jew.
ठीक है हाँ
Yeah,
Yeah, you know.
positive thoughts only.
हाँ
Yeah.
I think racialism is needed.
Yeah, if I'm in the market for a fucking butter chicken, I gotta go to a Punjabi guy.
Shit, let's
Sure.
order some butter chicken. Bro.
Huh?
Hmm.
I actually am gonna go for Aku's burger.
I had that last night. Let's go. We'll do it again.
Wow.
But
Oh, कर लें order. Because तब तक तो आएगा ही. जब तक my address is lined up, no bro. Okay, cool. It's gonna be the other guy then for this one. हाँ बताना आगे. तू कुछ खाएगा?
मैं तुम कहाँ से order कर रहे हो
Aku.
Aku.
मेरे already cart में है. ये ले.
हाँ
Congratulations.
Anytime.
And what else is happening, Mukund? Dude, how's the studio going, man?
pretty good
Banana music?
हाँ music बन रहा है लोग आ रहे हैं
Getting important people through the door. This guy is.
kind of yeah I'm
Yeah.
मतलब excited
I came just
exciting
yesterday.
pro-
I was
projects.
there. I was there yesterday. It is.
Yeah.
हाँ
So
Bless, touch wood. Touch wood.
I'm a recording engineer now
I do this thing.
proper one who gets work
Amen. But I do this thing when someone says touch wood and there is no wood within my immediate reach.
You touch your
and-
dick.
Yeah, and I've always done this since I was like a teenager. I don't know why. It'll just be a little whatever. But yes, I'll touch my dick. I just did right now as well.
uh-huh
I've just done this for the past like 15 years.
If there's any psychologists out there, we should consult our friend Karnika and, you know, I'm just saying.
It's just a thing. I mean,
नहीं but
it's not sexual at all or whatever.
Dick-
It's just that's wood. It's there.
क्या तू adjust कर रहा है are
No.
you hard right now
No,
what's happening
because he said
touch wood. He
So I
touches.
just touched
He just-
my wood.
Touch wood.
It's just
checking
a
it.
thing I've done since I was like 12 or 13.
Touch wood.
And I just do it to this day. Wood wasn't in my reach. I did this and I was like, no. And so I just touched my dick.
okay
And yeah.
Makes sense.
And it
I just-
satisfies that feeling for me.
If I don't have
touch
wood, if I don't have wood, I touch the nearest object. But
won't you have to get
No.
hard for it
No.
To be wood, yes.
because अभी तो
Because it's pulp right now.
हाँ
It's not wood.
But the
You
wood
touched
is
you touched
it's
pulp.
wood in spirit. See, it is my wood, even if it's not
Yeah,
hard.
sure, in wood in
Yeah.
spirit. You know, like a caterpillar is a butterfly in spirit, but it actually
No,
is
no,
not
no.
yet. It actually is not. It's a caterpillar.
it's a caterpillar.
But it's not like
It's
my
a fuck-
caterpillar becomes a butterfly, then a caterpillar again, then butterfly when it's hard,
It's
then
literally-
caterpillar.
it-
how
lit-
does it
it
work
literally,
then?
that's
वही
how it
होता है।
works.
हाँ.
Because the analogy is wrong, no, you bastard.
It is not.
Analogy, next time तेरे को touch wood करना है, use your imagination, make it
I
wood,
do. I imagine
and
it
then
hard.
touch it.
No, I imagine it hard. My
Imag-
imagination is used at a different point,
अच्छा
mostly the tip. But
हाँ तू गलत कर रहा है. It doesn't make any sense.
You're touching pulp and you're calling it wood, and that's wrong. I'm
that's
just saying.
imagination.
That's not imagination. It's retardation.
But you know what? It satisfies the feeling. If I don't touch actual wood or my penis, or actually it can be anybody's penis. Next time I'll ask you guys.
You
if
just
any
knock
of
on
you-
your forehead. Knock
It's
on
just
wood. you know.
wood.
You just do that. I think people would like.
If people say knock on, then I do that.
I think you do that on your dick then, or
No.
on your forehead.
I
I think
have-
if you were to do it on your forehead, people will appreciate you more.
Yeah.
no.
And
You don't think so?
'Cause
they'll,
that-
they'll
that's-
want to spend more time with you as well.
Yeah,
ये ऐसे नहीं कि अपना लंच छूता रहता है
exactly.
मेरे से बात करते
I think
because
it's
I want
a
to spend
preferred-
time with people.
हाँ
I have great times touching my dick by myself. Thank you very much. Who needs friends?
touch wood.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. Fuck you. I just did it reactively. Oh my god.
That zoom in.
हाँ देख लो.
देख लो,
I don't know
he-
what I'm showing. Just
He's
my
not even hard.
pajama stuff. Yes,
That's
we
exactly what-
established that.
He's touching pulp. That's the
He's-
fuck up.
हाँ.
What?
That's the entire fuck up.
What part of this do you think is gonna get me hard? That's on you, buddy.
मैं वही तो पूछ
If I'm not hard, it's your fault, and it's your fault.
No, it's not supposed to be. You are saying that you just touch your fucking pulp when people say touch wood.
Who calls
That's
their
your
dick their pulp? How is your pulp,
I'm just saying.
bro?
No, if the analogy is going to be wood, then this present state would have to be appropriately appraised as pulp.
It's called wood because it gets hard. और
Correct.
जब- तभी वो wood होगा ना.
Exactly. It's called morning wood, not nightly pulp. And
Nightly pulp is nuts. Well, after a hard day's work, and morning wood does turn into nightly pulp. not if you're a virgin though.
पर तू गलत कर रहा है वो मत कर.
वो मत कर
No,
यार.
no. My morning wood to nightly pulp journey is great.
You know,
मैं
touching.
बिल्कुल सही कर रहा हूँ.
Anyway, you gotta go to the therapist. Have you been to the therapist? No. I don't know.
The dick doctor, sure. But
Okay.
he's a
There you go.
dick rapist.
That's pretty cool, man. और कुछ मजेदार आ रहा है. There's some cool movies releasing this summer, no? Can you fucking add to the thing?
Oh yeah.
Dumb fuck. There's some cool movies releasing this summer.
Which one?
Paul Thomas Anderson की आ रही है एक.
एक हाँ.
Every battle after one battle after the next, one battle after another. I think it's with Leo DiCaprio. It looks pretty. It looks fun.
ओह उसकी लास्ट मूवी क्या है थी? कुछ टाइम से नहीं आई.
Phantom Thread? नहीं, sorry. Pizza.
Pizza.
Licorice Pizza.
ओ हाँ मैंने उसको हो गए 5
Licorice Pizza को हो गए
3 साल हो गए.
3 साल हो गए. Yeah, whatever. Something like that.
मैंने बर्लिन में देखी थी तो.
Nice,
2-3 साल
chill
हो गए.
movie, good movie, dude.
It was a fun movie, yeah.
Classic PTA.
Selling water beds.
Yeah.
याद आ रहा है.
He's got one with DiCaprio coming out this year. I'm excited for that. And there are other movies coming out. But I forget. I forget the
Whose
name.
movie with DiCaprio?
PTA. Director. Paul Thomas Anderson. There Will Be Blood, Magnolia.
मैं तो PTA
Boogie
सुन के
Nights.
स्कूल का ही सोचता हूँ
हाँ.
जहाँ मेरे को डांट पड़ती
Parent
थी,
teacher
लोग
arrangement.
चिल्लाते थे मेरे पे. हाँ.
हाँ. Pita.
What's a master Wu burger?
Master Wu is
Hey.
mushrooms. That's what happened on my vegetarian days.
स्टार्ट में पिता लेकिन गलत जाए.
You have vegetarian days?
Wednesday and Saturday. I like 2 vegetarian days to break it up,
Oh, अच्छा oh.
to give my body a break.
हाँ सही.
Yes.
PTA स्टार्ट में पिता लेकिन बहुत गंदा गया तो पीटा भाई. डिशूम
Good one.
पिता पीटा. पहले अच्छा आ रहा था ना. तूने साला अपना शाकाहारी बकचोदी समझाने के लिए.
उसने मुझसे सवाल पूछा, मैंने गेस्ट की इज्जत करी और रिस्पॉन्ड किया है.
I
हाँ,
understand.
मैं-
माँ की चूत तेरी.
He doesn't seem like the guy who has vegetarian days. मतलब
लगता नहीं है ना.
उसके बाद
लगता है ये बंदा बंदा खा जाता है नाश्ते में.
Yeah.
नहीं क्योंकि नॉर्मली उसके रिलीजियस कॉनिटेशंस होते हैं जो मेरे को वाइब नहीं आती तो.
तू क्या बोल रहा है? सरदार शाकाहारी नहीं हो सकते हैं? You are saying
हो सकता
Sardar
है।
peoples.
He's talking about the
Cannot-
religious practice of fucking doing a mangal or whatever the fuck.
हाँ
मैं मंगल पे अपनी गाड़ नहीं साफ करता.
he's just doing it for
You know,
variety.
Yeah, मैं
Yeah.
गुरुवार पे अपने गुरुवार अपने नाक के बाल नहीं निकालता, bro. Bro, मैं शनिवार को
नहाता नहीं हूँ।
अपने टट्टे नहीं खुजलाता मैं. There are other fucking prescriptions, dude.
मैं बुधवार को बुद्धि नहीं लगाता.
Yeah. और मंडे को मस्का नहीं लगाता मैं, bro.
No butter.
Tuesday को चस्का नहीं लगाता.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday की चस्का. That's a good one. We've done this fucking day of the week a bit before, huh? With the foreign shit, and now we're doing
और
it
भाई
with the...
Tuesday के चूसड़े.
तू वेब करता है क्या?
हाँ
तभी तो चूसड़ा बोल रहे हैं उसे.
Yeah, it's pretty.
चूसड़े.
That's such a new age thing.
तुम्हें नहीं पता था मैं वेप करता हूँ.
I was watching this. What's his
Filthy
face?
vapist.
Guy Ritchie fucking produced.
V is right next to R on the keyboard. ठीक है. बहुत ध्यान से लिखना पड़ता है.
Vapist. Wow.
Yes, I am stressing on the V part.
He's a
Of
vapist.
vapist.
It can be a very bad typo. मतलब QWERTY कीपैड में V और R साथ में है.
हाँ, तूने किसी को बोल दिया कि oh you're such a bad
I am
vapist.
vaping.
And autocorrect ने तेरी गांड मार दी. And it's a fucking.
और तुमने literally autocorrect की वजह से गांड मार दी.
Oh, it's not right next to R. But I always check
Who? What are you looking at?
the keyboard.
Okay.
They're actually far apart.
Yes, it's QWERTY and the V is on the row 3
In the bottom
next
row.
to C.
What
before
I don't know.
B.
I still
What a nerd.
I just like to check every time I write anything about vaping.
Yes. Wow.
Edgar Wright
And you
has
check
a,
every time and you still
Every
get it
time.
wrong.
No, I never get it wrong.
You just got it wrong. With the distance wise. अब तो याद होना चाहिए. Maybe
Oh,
if you're...
Cronenberg also has a new movie coming out. So there's a lot of
I think you need to be more scared if you're taping something. If you
taping.
pay attention to your keyboard. If you pay attention to your keyboard, I think you actually need to be scared of taping.
Taping, yeah.
Not vaping.
We're
Yeah.
taping right now.
Because
You gotta be careful when you're moving, guys.
it's right next to
Don't-
the R,
don't-
right?
don't-
The T is right next to the R. You gotta be scared of
But
taping.
honestly,
Yes.
if you're writing, I'm taping up her mouth. I'm
We're-
taping.
oh my God.
There, I mean, you're really. I think both ways you're fucked.
We're
Yeah,
taping. We're taping a podcast.
we
But
are
yeah.
taping indeed.
Yes. Yeah.
But we're good tapists.
Mm.
Bas.
Yeah, we're good at taping.
We perfected the art.
Today was a good taping.
Mm.
I think we
Coming.
taped really well.
मैंने अनोरा देखी वो अच्छी थी.
Anora was good, well made, but I
हाँ.
don't think it was Oscar like best picture material.
Wasn't best picture.
Yeah, not for me, but good movie.
हाँ, but उसी बहाने देख ली.
Oh,
When-
I saw it before. I think
When did
it
release?
released last year.
Oh, so it's already out on tape?
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a taping a long time ago.
Okay.
Interesting for the subject matter of the movie.
Yeah.
Calling it taping is not good, but
Well.
it's about Mexican work, sex work.
Oh.
Yeah.
और कौन सी थी nominated उसके साथ?
I mean, the Brutalist was, I think, up, but not again, not for me. Like, it was not best pictures. I think the choices were very underwhelming, frankly. I think last year, personally. But मेरे को क्या याद है last year की picture? I'll have to go through it.
हाँ, मेरे को भी देखना पड़ेगा.
They've not forgotten how to make movies.
They forgot.
The Academy just doesn't resonate with where I think most people are anymore. Whereas it used to be representative enough. Maybe I think there's been a bit of a divide there.
It's gotten a little
Some-
political, is that?
Sure, there is that, dude. There's a little bit of that. There's a little bit of the representation shit.
The substance better थी.
The substance was better.
Kaun si
I think I
substance?
would have maybe gone more for the
Yeah.
substance way. Yes. Carole Fouriat.
Dune Part 2 भी दे देते यार. कभी तो
Dune-
दो यार sci-fi को, अच्छे sci-fi को भाई.
I love Doom 2.
Doom 2 was good.
हाँ.
Doom 2 was great.
Dune 2 was very good.
Oh,
Innovative
I could have-
transport.
I could have seen, but I would prefer the substance. I think the substance was a lot more powerful.
हाँ, The
to
Substance
experience.
बहुत बढ़िया movie थी.
Emotionally, I think it was a lot more powerful.
Yeah.
The substance to me.
Wow. That's gay.
Oh, A Real Pain
I like
nominate भी
it.
नहीं हुई. Best.
But A Real Pain is not that Oscar material either. It's very lightweight. अच्छी
हाँ,
picture.
but it was like two Jew
Very good, हम
brothers
साथ में
going
गए-
on a tour.
हम साथ में गए थिएटर देखने.
वही तो, but it's like Oscar Beatty in a way. मतलब
But that's what I'm saying. It's too lightweight there. Yes, it doesn't get deep
नहीं,
enough.
but वो मूवी काफी हैवी थी मेरे को तो.
तो heavy लगी. वो बहुत lightweight है for drama. For Oscar worthy drama is too lightweight.
अच्छा वो हाँ.
Yes.
वैसे हाँ.
Yes. Nosferatu नहीं यार, कुछ था ही नहीं भाई लास्ट ईयर कुछ मजेदार भैंचोद. I'm not even joking. I would have भैंचोद.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ मूवी बनाना भूल गए भैंचोद. तू मान ही नहीं
No,
रहा.
it's not true. It's not true. I don't know. I just don't have anything.
तुमने वो
Personally.
देखी
This is a bad year for cinema.
Dude, and maybe there's something that I haven't seen yet.
सुपर
The problem-
बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव देखी किसी ने?
I did. I saw it in the theater. Really like it.
How was it?
Yeah.
Oh,
तूने देखी है?
नहीं वो मेरा अप नेक्स्ट है. अभी स्ट्रीमिंग पे आई है.
It's nice. It's well made. But
Guess what?
again, like I said, I'm very hung up. I get hung up on structure. Again, I got hung up on structure there in this movie.
I discovered a set of movies that I will explore maybe at some point on Geo Hotstar. They have all the Pokemon movies ever. Every single one.
Oh,
Old
they're
ones,
pretty
new ones, from first Mewtwo Strikes Back all the way to Darkrai, Arceus and all this crap. And
वो मैंने म्यूटू वाली देखी थी. मेरे
Dialga
मेरी
Park.
हार्ड ड्राइव में हुआ करती थी बहुत सारी पोकेमॉन मूवीज.
the Mewtwo one is the first one. It's the first Pokemon movie ever. Mewtwo Strikes Back.
अच्छी थी.
I love that movie. वही कासल में वो पता नहीं कि खेल रहे होते गेम, वो आके माँ चोद देता है.
बड़ी
Mew.
बिल्ली छोटी बिल्ली ऐसे उड़
हाँ,
रहे हैं.
बड़ी मियाँ छोटे मियाँ है ना.
हाँ.
म्यूटू और म्यू.
हाँ.
बड़े मियाँ तो बड़े मियाँ, छोटे मियाँ सुभान अल्लाह. That'd be good sound.
Civil War. I would have given it to Civil War, dude.
सिविल वॉर
Best picture.
पिछले साल की है.
Yes.
वो बहुत अच्छी.
हम
That
लोग
would have
देखी
been
थी साथ
that
में.
would have been my movie, dude.
वो कुछ ज्यादा ही जल्दी रिलीज होगी मतलब.
Yeah, it was released in the summer. It was not a
Oh.
Oscar season release, but it's still that's the best movie for me.
was
Oscar
very good.
देना
Great
तेरे
movie.
लखनऊ.
और उसकी Warfare भी को पसंद नहीं आई अभी by the way.
वो अभी आई है.
Oscar देना
Yes.
तेरे
वो मैंने नहीं
लखनऊ.
देखी. सिविल वॉर बहुत बहुत अच्छी थी.
Civil War बहुत सही थी, dude. It should have got it.
उसे अब यहाँ पे बुला लो, अभी तो जंग होने वाली है.
है ना?
हाँ यहाँ पे शूट करे अब.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे Civil War
Live
नहीं होगी, यहाँ पे
action.
हमारी अपनी border पे होगा, border skirmish.
सिविल वॉर के बाद उसने वॉरफेयर कर तो दिया.
Oh, Civil War, Warfare. अब उसको बनना Farewell, कुछ बनाएगा कुछ. I think it's
Civil War farewell.
Civil War, Warfare,
Well.
Farewell. I think the Farewell is the next.
फेयर वॉर.
Yeah, Fair Trade.
फेयर
It's on the trade war.
trade,
trade
It's
war.
Fair
It's-
Trade, and it's the movie on the trade war.
It's about the
Continuing with the
tariffs.
theme of the wars.
It's about the tariffs.
It's
Everything's
gotta be
about the
it's gotta be
tariffs.
about the fucking tariffs, dude. And I'm saying, Mr. Modi,
And
make
Mr.
a deal with Mr. Trump. बस उसको दे दे and ask him to deliver Kashmir for us. Or Pakistan, if that's on the table. Actually, we don't need it. We don't need your shit.
No, but
We don't need your
if
fucking
we do
shit.
annex Pakistan, it will be shit initially, but
Oh,
सही हो जाएगा.
can't we? Fuck. I do not want to. I think annex idiots.
Why?
Why?
Arguably, idiots are the ones who deserve to be annexed.
200 million idiots who then have to care for. Dude, that's crazy. और उसका टैक्स बेस हम ही है जो 2% देती है इस देश में.
But वो अपने ही है यार.
नहीं है वो अपने यार, उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया था वो उनका मुल्क
उनके
है.
दादाजी ने डिसाइड कर लिया.
We gotta
था
go
ना.
to fucking POK, fucking October 7th style shit and fuck it up, you know? Or whatever the fuck. No, October 7 was ये हमारा था October 7.
Right.
Whatever the fuck the response time was. 3 days, 8 days, for 28.
Where is my next surgical strike?
So
When?
शायद अभी कर रहे हो. हमें
How long
बताएंगे
did they
थोड़ी
take
ना.
to respond last time?
It's probably happening. No, actually this time also the responses were pretty fast. They had a drone on site in 15 minutes.
Yeah, they bombed some houses.
They bombed some houses.
Yeah, they bombed houses.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Cruel or cool?
No, they
That's
bomb
pretty
local Kashmiri houses.
I don't know. That's pretty
They bomb local
It's
Kashmiri
kinda
houses.
cruel.
No,
kinda
man.
cool, dude. Dude, you gotta fuck up the enemy, man. You gotta set an example.
पाकिस्तान में करो ना.
पाकिस्तान क्या है? POK में कर रहा है?
POK में करे.
I don't know. कहाँ
POK
पे
में ही
है.
कर रहा होगा, bro.
ये
I hope so.
IOK नहीं है, bro. कश्मीर है.
IAK मैंने बोला है. Indian administered.
No, it's Kashmir.
Yes, Kashmir.
Don't say IOK or anything like
I
that.
was using the UN language.
Fuck the UN.
They won't let anything happen.
The UN never lets anything happen.
Ever.
कुछ गंदा होने ही नहीं देते.
हेलो यार, इसने मेरे को अभी तक कुछ स्क्रिप्ट कुछ नहीं भेजा. I'm recording the podcast.
It's called the United
Can I please call you
Nothing,
back in 10 minutes?
because nothing happens.
Nothing happens on their watch,
Yeah.
which is great.
That's why it's United Nothing.
Gladiator fucking 2 could have got fucking what's his face, huh?
Fucking best picture at the fucking Oscars.
Did you watch Gladiator 2? So bad.
Did you fucking watch Gladiator fucking 2?
Shut up.
Nope.
Shut fucking up.
मैंने 1 देखी थी.
Fucking shut the fuck up.
Fucking shut the fucking fuck up.
That's. I think I have to cap it.
Let's go.
Thank you, Mukund.
You're most welcome.
Why did you
Glad
call him
to
by
be
his
back.
real name?
ओए हाँ. क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरे को मेरे से?
He doesn't like you then today.
हाँ.
He called you your real name.
हाँ भाई, मुकुंद पांडे ही बोल देता पूरा.
He
मैंने
just
शुरुआत में बोला था, I think. शुरुआत में already बोल चुका.
उसने पर्सनल रिलेशन प्रोफेशनल कर दिया, तेरे को मुकुंद बुला रही है.
Thanks, Mudit, for coming, and Mudit is always a good guest to have because he always is on time, and you know,
Yeah.
it's always.
Thank you, Sukhbir.
But it is a pleasure to have had
A humble guy
The
such as
company.
Makarand bhai.
of Makrand Pandey. Makrand Mangal Pandey joke बना चुका होगा ना लोग तेरे पे कभी
हाँ, पूरे स्कूल में
पूरे
जब
स्कूल
आई
में
थी
करा होगा
movie,
ना
हाँ.
classic. It's very you got to do it.
You got it.
It's happening. you
Look
know.
at him.
फिर दबंग आ गई तो फिर
दबंग में क्या हुआ फिर?
चुलबुल पांडे.
चुलबुल पांडे भी
Yeah.
था. I don't even know that.
उसमें
चुलबुल-
मेन
चुलबुल
कैरेक्टर
बोलते
नाम
रहते
चुलबुल पांडे था.
That's
उससे
classic.
बाइसेप भी तो बना
I'll call you. I'll start calling you Chulbul, bro.
हाँ सही है.
उससे बाइसेप भी तो बना लेना.
मेरे को
चुलबुल
लगता है कि मेरे को पुलिस वाले पसंद करते हैं उसी रीजन की वजह से.
जैसे. क्योंकि तेरा नाम पांडे है.
पांडे जी बुलाना पसंद है उन्हें लोगों को.
पांडे जी. हाँ मैं भी.
Pandey ji, I think it just rolls off the tongue. You know, even my guard, there was a guard here who was Pandey.
Yeah.
KK Pandey. उसको मैं Pandey ji बोलता था.
बस.
I think Pandey ji is just a good
I also
thing.
used to call him Pandey
People
ji
like
for
saying
many
Pandey ji.
People just really like, they really do.
I think people just like saying Pandey ji, dude.
हाँ.
And I think I like it also.
मैं भी तेरे को बोलता ही हूँ ना.
Pandey ji, मैं भी उसको Pandey ji बोलूँगा. Chulbul Pandey ji. Just fuck it up a little bit, you know. Chulbul Pandey ji.
ठीक है.
चुलबुल जी.
Chulbul bhai.
बुलबुल करेंगी मेरे साथ.
Chulbul bhai किसे?
गुलगुल करते हैं. गुलगुल.
Got it. हाँ, I don't mind चुलबुल पांडे.
Chulbul is nice. Thanks, Mudit. Okay.
Thanks
Okay.
Chulchul.
All right, thanks, bro.
चू चू पांडे.